Now we're going to do a walkthrough 1, which is tied into exercise 1. We're going to create our CSS selectors. So before we add any sort of style, we first have to create the CSS selectors to add those styles to. So let's go into our folder. Let's take our personal website folder and drag it into brackets. Let's open our index.html and let's open our style.css. Now we can do this cool thing with brackets and split the windows so we can show both files. So we're going to click on this little icon here and split vertically. And now we can open our HTML file right here. So judging from this, what would be some of the HTML elements that we would want to style first? Would body be one? Would unordered list be one? Would our header tag be one, for example? Let's preview our website as it is currently. And you can see all we have is our red background. And we've targeted the first selector, which is body, and we made it red. The next rule that we're going to write will be an unordered list, and to do that we simply will write UL followed by the open and closing curly braces. We're not going to style this element yet. And then we're going to write a comment on ordered list just to keep a track of things. And that will correspond to this. The next thing we're going to want to style is all the links on our website. So when styling, we want to keep this rule in mind of styling elements that are universal and that start from top to bottom, such as body, UL. There's anchor tags, which are universal. We have links here. We have links right here, some multiple parts of HTML. So we're going to do A. There's no hard set rule, just a general theme to follow. Then the next tags we want to style are our header tags. So we're going to do H1, H2, again, use comments just to keep a track and organize. The next thing we're going to want to style is our paragraph tags. And some of this makes logical sense because typically your header comes before our paragraph tags. That's P. Again, there's no hard set rule. Next, we're going to style our header. And this is just a header, not to be confused with our actual H1 tags. Next will be our nav tags, because we have header and then we have nav. You may wonder, well, why do we have UL at the top? If UL is inside of nav, shouldn't UL come and under nav? Well, no, because UL again is universal. It's being used at the bottom of our footer, it's being used in our header, it can be used multiple places. While nav is just fixed to the top, you're just using it at the very top. Next will be your main tag. Right after main, we're going to have our footer tag. And now we've covered all the tags that we're going to style at this part of our CSS unit. We'll style many more tags, but this is just a base. This covers the entire body. Our unordered list, our A tags, our H1, H2, most of the tags we use so that we can build up to our final website, which looks like this. And as you see in the final website, we just want to reference this. We know that we're going to style our H1. We know that we're going to style the links. We know that we're going to style our paragraph, or header, or footer. So we're just mapping this to our final product. You can also use your wireframe here. It's a very useful tool to help you map things out.